Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find your motherboard, BIOS, and hardware details using CMD. Now, in order to do it, just simply open the command promote and run it as administrator. Let's open it. And here in the prompt section, you need to write WMIC baseboard. It's a very long command, so be careful with it. Get product with a comma, write manufacturer with a comma, write version. Once you do that, just simply hit enter, and here you're gonna see the manufacturer version of your motherboard. By this method, you can easily find the manufacturer details, the hardware details of it. You can see the hardware has been generated by Asus Tech Computer dot Inc. and the uh, product label also, which is MF M6500 QF, and the version of that particular hardware build also. So by this method, you can easily get those details using CMD. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.